And now by pre-qualifying them, I really do pre-qualify them. I know a lot of people want to be in a hurry, and they're like, they might call me and they may say, I really need to get pre-qualified today for this house. And we can do that. We can do it verbally on the phone. But I also do like to back that up with their documents, because there's a lot of things we look at that you may not even know. And like I said, I'd rather know up front exactly what your income is and how we're going to calculate it than you maybe just telling me on the phone. So the sooner you can get me your documents before you start looking, the better. This is the first stop. You talk to me first, then once I pre-qual you, I can educate you on how much payments are going to be versus an actual price range. Some people have no distinction. They don't understand that, a $150,000 house might be $1,000, or they may think, an $80,000 house might be $1,000. They don't really know that. They just know price ranges. So, I want to educate them on what actual price per month they're comfortable with. So that's one of the first things I ask them is, let's forget about price range right now. What are you comfortable making on a mortgage payment? That's what matters to me, because that's what they're going to pay, and nobody else can pay that for them. So I want to make sure they get something that matches. I don't want to qualify you for $200,000 with a $2,000 payment when you only want to spend $900. So that's the first thing I ask them, which is very good for any home buyer. Just some people are coming out of rent. A lot of times I get people that they're renting and they're paying $600 or $700 a month, and they actually don't want their payment to go up. Sometimes they actually want it to go down. So I educate them, because a lot of times by the time we add in taxes and insurance or mortgage insurance or whatever we're talking about, the payment might be the same, it might be a little less, it could be higher. And then I correlate that with the house price. And then based on that, once we have a full understanding of what they're qualified for and what they want, then they're free to go and look at homes with realtors and actually be happy, not have to worry about my end of it, and then put a contract in right when they find something. Because in this market right now, things are actually moving very quickly. So if you come to me first and you have this part figured out, you're going to be able to put in a clean contract and have a clean conscience about what you're doing and not have to go backwards. Sometimes when people go backwards, that's when they miss out on opportunities with the homes they want, because they weren't prepared. So if they come to me first and we get that squared away, then they can go and look for what they want and feel confident in their offers.